Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you're new, I'm Emma. I'm so happy you're here. Today is the first video of my Disney series. I'm so excited. If you've been here since last year's Disney series, you would know that I go to Disney every year for spring break. It's a tradition that me and my friends have. But for today's video, if you could guess by the title, I'm gonna be showing you what I keep in my park bag. Before we get started, if you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'm fitsbym. I'll have everything linked below. Let's get into the video because I cannot wait to show you what I have. So let's go. So if you have been here since last year, this is a brand new bag. What? I got her for Christmas. She's a Loungefly. It's the Belle Loungefly. How adorable is this? So let's just get right into it. So the first thing that is pretty obvious is my ears. I got them in Hollywood Studios. They're the Pixar ball ears. I thought they were so cute and they went with my bag. So I was like, these ones. So I usually keep that, and I keep them on this little neck pillow holder, which I'll link down below. So that is like kind of the front. So I'm gonna start with the front pocket. This front pocket looks really small, like it doesn't stick out at all, but it actually holds a lot. So the first thing that I keep in this front pocket is my wallet. It has like all of my money, it has my keys, like everything on it. Yeah, so that's pretty important. And then I also keep my AirPods. This case is from Amazon. In the main pocket, the first thing I have is this mask. So I'm obviously gonna bring more masks to Disney, but for the purpose of this video, I bring one mask in my park bag, and I'll probably carry a couple extras. And then I also have this umbrella because I'm going in March, which means it's probably gonna rain, and also it's Florida, so it's probably gonna rain. So I bring this so I don't have to wear a poncho. The next thing is this little clip. It's like a little claw clip. And because I have shorter hair, it doesn't look as like cute in a ponytail. So I'm like, claw clip, gets it on my face. We're having a great time. The next thing that I have is my water bottle. This has not changed from last year. I always need to be hydrated, especially because I get overheated very easily. So if I'm not hydrated, I will pass out. So the next thing I have is my phone. It's the 13, I believe. This is my lock screen. It's Jennifer's Body. I also keep sunglasses, of course. I keep these sunglasses. These are from Francesca's. They're so cute. I stand by Francesca's accessories. And then I'm also bringing my Vax card. I keep it in this little cute pouch that I got. I also like to bring Pepto-Bismol to the parks because, again, I also have stomach problems. So I always need to take either Tums or Pepto-Bismol or something to not make myself want to lay down and cry forever. So I have the Sunbum like sunscreen that I use. It's a mineral sunscreen, which is like SPF 50, I think. Yeah, and it's water resistant. You definitely always need sunscreen on your face, and I use it in my morning routine. I use it to reapply later. So that's the next thing I brought. The last things, well, kind of the last things. This is like my charger bag. It says, don't let anybody with bad eyebrows tell you shit about life. And it's true. True words have never been said before. And in here, I keep this like portable charger, which I don't know where I got it, but you can get these like on Amazon. You can really get them like anywhere. I also keep like a phone charger, and I keep this charger for my charger. This tripod for the camera that you are watching this from. The last thing I keep in there is my magic band. I am an annual pass holder now, so I'm like pretty excited, but I keep my magic band. It's so cute. It's the Up House, and then it also says my name on it. And then this is actually my other Loungefly, but I thought I would show you guys because it's so cute. It's Miss Piggy. She's my favorite Muppet, of course. I showed you my ears But I'm gonna show you guys my other ears that I have because I just think they're so cute and fun. These are my Miss Piggy ears. They go with my bag, so I might be wearing these to Hollywood Studios. I haven't decided. And then I have these Tangled Ears, which are literally my favorite ears I think I own. They were made by my friend Alina. She's Alina in Wonderland on Instagram. And then these are my Peter Pan ears. These were made by my friend Hannah. We do a Peter Pan Disney bound every year, so we were very on theme with these. And then my last pair of ears are these little flower ones that I made my freshman year of high school. Look how cute they are. I'm literally obsessed. Like, so these are my last pair of ears. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I will be posting next week with a little Disney tag. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'm fitsbym, and I will link all my other social media down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next week. Bye!